Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? It is time for another limited edition box. I am very excited for this one. I don't know why, but this is my favorite one. Well, actually, I know why. I'm an 80s child, grew up, in the 90s, and so I thought it would be fun, instead of doing, traditional Valentine's, to embrace the late 80s, early 90s, and all that nostalgia. So, the limited edition box is called Neon Love Notes. It's going to be really fun, on theme as always, or at least I try. But let's take a look. So, every box is going to have the heart tissue paper. I really like to coordinate everything right down to the packaging. It's just what I do. So we'll pull these little guys out first. Now, there are 3 named limited edition scents. Yes, I painted my nails to match my box. I do that too. Now there's 3 named ones. Plum Intentions, Raspberry Sugar, Orange Soda Pop. There is a mystery scent. You can put it in your limited edition box, but you can also buy it separately, just like you did in January. Anyone who purchases them, whether you purchase it in a limited box or separate, you are now eligible for a free gift. And it's just chosen at random. I have a random number generator, so it's like, last month it was the 43rd person and 47th person to purchase the mystery scent got a gift sent to them. And it just automatically will come with your mystery scent. So it could show up in your box if you order them separately. Who knows? It's totally random. I'm not controlling it. And it's just basically a little bundle. I don't want to show the bundle just yet, but I think I will tease it on social media. Okay, so let's talk about that. So we've got our 3 scents, put off to the side. Now, every box will come with a glittery washi tape. Now the colors are going to match the box. So you'll see a pink, orange, a yellow, a blue, kind of just all those 80s and 90s retro vibes. And then we'll also have these neon stickers because, well, come on now. All right, and then if you get the full size or the mini kit, you will get the cover minder for the month. This is the cassette tape bunny. Now these are collector's items, and I will have, please check my Instagram. I have a whole set of these. So for the month of February, in the Neon Love Notes collection, there's actually 3. You can only get this one through the limited edition box. However, if I have leftovers, I will pop them into the store as well. So that means you still have a chance to grab it. I have also created these little collector's cards. Do you have to buy them? No. I'm sharing it for free on Instagram too. If you want it, however, I will be printing them. They go on cardstock and then they actually are glued to a backing. And so it's kind of a cute little thing if you want to just have these little index cards that over time you can make sure you collect everything, because along with these, I will be releasing what is called In Love 2026, and those are the cover minders of February. Now, the purpose of this is you can check my Instagram to see what those are. Not all of these will come back. So do you want to snag them now? Totally snag them now. If you can't, no big deal. The good news is if you have the checklist, you can say, hey, any chance you could bring this cover minder back? And I might. And it doesn't mean you have to wait till February of next year either. Sometimes I release ones at random. In fact, I released a cover minder from November in January because I had enough people ask. They really, really wanted it. It was the hedgehog. So you're not limited. However, these start in the limited ones. And I'm sorry, but I designed this one and it's a mixed tape, but labeled mixed feelings. And I'm still to this day giggling over it. I've got problems. Okay. Then on top of it, we have our drills. Now these are from Shimmering Canvases. As you know, I partner with her for a few things. Yes, they are square. I'm actually going to start doing rounds, but I would love for you to comment below if you would like rounds. Most of my customers have told me they don't use rounds, which is why I tend to go with square, because I would hate to saddle you with these and you don't even need them. That said, I am going to start releasing mini limited edition bundles that will come with either just the pen and tray and no drills. Some will come with just the drills and the other goodies. I'm going to be testing and playing and trying to make it more customizable so you're not stuck with everything. It's just very hard, and I'm going through, a divorce at the moment, and it's taking up a lot of my time, so my creativity is kind of taxed. So please bear with me on that. But we have DMC 957, which is a nice pink color. And then DMC 3846. I am going to do videos on these too, so you know how to like integrate these. Okay, now from Creations by LEP, we collaborate. I sent her a little mock-up because actually the tape I designed is just like this. So I sent her a picture of the tape and said, how can we make this a tray? And as always, she impresses. So this is actually black glitter. It's a matte glitter though. That's why it doesn't look like it at first till you actually get it to the right light. But then we've got the color schemed hearts on there and then pink lines. You get your 2 stoppers as always. I like the heart myself, but to each their own. Okay, we have 2 pen options. As you can see, there's the upgrade pen. We also have the basic pen, which is going to come with this monster thing of tips, by the way. So this is called Pink Candy Swirl. Totally matches the color scheme. It's actually really cool. So if you don't get an upgraded pen, don't worry. This pen is like really cool looking. It's very ergonomic too and light. I might actually steal one for my own collection. I really love the colors and they match this box like perfectly. But if you want an upgraded pen, this is also from Shimmering Canvas. We worked together to create these, and this month she outdid herself yet again. I always like send like the color scheme, and I'd say like I would love some scribbly hearts, and then I just let her do her thing. And so these are UV DTF stickers. I think that's how it said. They will not come off. They're not supposed to scratch off, but yes, you can feel them on there. But they're like these high resistant ones. And in all these, she stapled a little explanation, just so you know. But look at the coloring. So it's all glittery, matches the color scheme, and then it has all these fun hearts. So there are 40 of these upgrade pens. That's right, 40 total. 30 total of the full-size boxes. And then there will be 15 mini boxes. Now, there will be only 15 pens available in the upgrade, for an upgrade in the full-size box. So the full-size box comes with the tray, the drills, upgrade pen or regular pen. You can choose between all 3 scents, like here, or you can choose to add on the mystery as well, because you can snag the mystery scent. Why is it not here? Well, I changed the mystery last minute. That's why. I was doing a bunch of playing around and I was like, you know what? I'm going to change this. So it will be back, but we have these bad boys here. Now you'll get the cover minder in the full-size box and then the washi tape and the sticker. Now the only thing that does not come if you get the mini kit is the tray. The mini kit automatically comes with the upgrade pen, the drills, the cover minder, this, and then of course you can pick between the 4 scents. It just has no tray. So as you can see, you have plenty of options. I really, really love this box, so I hope you guys do too. I love the color schemes. I just think it's fun. I used a nice shimmery pink label. I just like my bags to match everything. I was actually planning on doing black bags, but they showed up just today after we have already made all the putty. So I'm like, I'm not rebagging and wasting them. It would have looked so much cooler though, right? Yeah. But this is a really fun box. Now, even though I said there's 30 of these and 15 of the minis, not all of them will actually list on the store tomorrow, which is 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on February 1st. And the reason for that is I do have a channel membership. So if you are a gemstone goddess, that's my highest tier, and you signed up in December or before, you get to reserve this box. I would do so looking in the community tab because you only have until 7 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on launch day to claim your box. After that, I can't hold it any longer. And the reason for that is I have to know who I'm holding it for. Now, the reason you order ahead, this box here was already created and planned with my my small shop collaborators in December. That's why you need to sign up in December or before to qualify to reserve it. Now, if you sign up in this month, so February, you'll be eligible for April. If you signed up in January, you'll be eligible for the March one. So don't worry, it's just a little bit out, but with the way YouTube does their payments and how we collaborate with these boxes, I mean, the March box is already almost planned and finished. So as you can see, if you signed up this month, I wouldn't be able to accommodate. I do have over 23 members now who are actually reserving boxes. I'm trying to increase the box count on the store. Plus here, however, if you have my membership, you don't have to rush. You just go in there. I'll send you the link that afternoon to your private listing, and you can buy and not have to rush. What's ever not claimed by 7 a.m. goes in the store, and that's unfortunately where you have to rush. I'm doing my best, but LEP and Dawn can only make so much. So the chances of me upping these boxes dramatically is going to take some time. So that's why I'm saying if you really don't like to fight, do the membership. I think it's like 15 or something. That reserves your box, and you just get a link. You get previews throughout the month in my channel as well that are not shared until later in the month on Instagram. So you can start seeing like pens and concepts way before. In fact, I think I shared this little guy super early on because I ordered this for an example, just so you know how planned out these are. This was actually ordered and designed at the end of December. And I had already ordered my acrylic that I needed and started cutting these, and I had the first 20 done by the end of the first week of January, but I had already ordered my acrylic sheets I needed for my machine into December, and my acrylic supplier to make this nice thick awesome acrylic takes forever. So that's one thing to keep in mind. When I'm making these cover minders, I often am cutting these like 2 months out. I will cut more for the leftover limited, which releases on the 15th of every month. But what you need to keep in mind with that is it is leftovers. So you may not get all of these items. Don't know if you'll get an upgrade pen. Sometimes I'll have some leftover upgrade pens because of cancellations or confusions. Sometimes I won't have any trays. Sometimes I won't have any drills. I will definitely have drills for the leftovers and cover minders. So I may just have drills, cover minders, and cents, so a little bundle, or I may have some excess basic pens. It's up in the air. I don't know. But if you miss everything on the first, that's your second chance to at least grab some things, including this little guy, because it is so funny. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this preview. I hope you enjoy. I am trying to get back on track with everything, and I promise I will very soon. But until next time, take care. Bye now.